Welcome to Schoology. Schoology is a learning management system that can help students manage all their academic responsibilities. All your tools and resources for each class can be found in one place. Think of it as just having one notebook for all of your classes. You can give your teachers feedback, and they can give you feedback as well as collaborating with classmates all in one central location. Schoology is similar to Facebook or Instagram. On your home page, it's sort of like a newsfeed, where anything the school or your courses or your groups have posted can be found, and the most recent thing is found at the top. These are called updates. Many of your teachers will post updates on a regular basis, so you know what to expect for the day. On the right-hand side, you can see upcoming events or assignments, along with dates and times. Additionally, if you have assignments that are upcoming, meaning the assignments are going to be due soon, or any assignments that are overdue, then both show up over here on the right-hand side. An overdue assignment is one where the due dates have passed and you did not submit anything for it. If you did hand in your assignment, then you will not have something overdue on this right-hand side. Currently, I do not have anything overdue. However, if I did, this is what it would look like. These assignments will show up automatically when your teachers put them in. The only thing you must do is click on them to view the details and, of course, submit them. Be mindful of the dates your teachers want you to complete the task by, and make sure you complete your work. To get to courses, you'd click on the word courses here at the top of the page. Schoology only shows you up to 12 courses at once. So if you're enrolled in more than 12, you might need to rearrange the way these are displayed. In order to rearrange your courses, you're going to click on the word My Courses here in the top right corner. Once the page loads, you'll see the words Reorder Courses on the right-hand side. Then, using your mouse, drag and drop the courses in the order that you wish them to be seen. When you're done, click on the X in the top right-hand corner. Once you do that, your courses will have been rearranged. Let's click on a course. Once you're in the course, you can view materials that your teacher has posted, which is here under Materials. You can see that for this particular class, the materials that are posted for now are just 2 assignments. One due today by 11:59 p.m. and one due tomorrow at 11:59 p.m. You also can view your updates. This is a second area where you can find updates. The difference is here you will only find updates for this particular course. You can post on your updates, or you can even post your own. Just like on the main screen, any upcoming assignments will be on the right-hand side. Additionally, you can view the class list where it says Members. What's nice about the class list is if you just click on the name of the person, you can then send them a private message. First, you click on their name. Then, in the top right corner, click Message. Give it a subject like Schoology video. This is my message about my Schoology video mistake. And then press Send. Next, let's look at groups. In order to get to groups, you click on the word groups at the top of the screen. Sometimes clubs or organizations use groups to post important information. This is very similar to what you would find in courses. However, you never have to hand something into a group. Just like with courses, you can reorder the way that they show up by dragging and dropping. Once you're inside of a group, you once again have updates, member information, and resources that you have accessible to you. A copy of this video, along with its script, is going to be made available to you in the ELL course page here under Courses, along with this script that you're reading at the bottom of the screen. Next, I'm going to show you the calendar feature in Schoology. See this little icon right up here? That's the calendar. Let's click on it. Now, we've looked at the upcoming on the right-hand side, but what this does is takes that same information and puts it into a different formatting. This might be visually easier for some of you. So right here, you can pick on which courses you'd like to see. Maybe I want these 3 classes to be shown. Once I do that, it'll automatically update to show everything for the month that we're in. Afterwards, we have messages. You'll notice here I have 4 unread messages. Your teachers will use this to communicate with you. So if you see a notification, make sure you respond. So for instance, Miss Sini sent me a message. I sent her one, and then she wrote back. And then I can write back too. Be sure to check this regularly as teachers, as well as maybe your classmates, have important information for you. Even your guidance counselors will send you private messages too if they need to schedule a meeting with you. You can also send your own message to more than one person by clicking on New Message and then typing in the names of those you need to speak with. So perhaps I want to send a message to Senora Gerardo Moran and Senora D or Miss D. Then again, I can typing in the subject of my message and the message itself. I'm just going to press cancel as this is just a demonstration. But be sure to check the spelling of the name of the person you're sending your message to. If more than one person has the same name and you accidentally click that person, then you're going to send it to the wrong person by mistake. So just be careful. To get back to your home screen, just click where it says Piscataway Township Schools in the top left corner of the screen. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out at any time. My email address is jkelly@pwa.org. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed this video.